We all know in the UK we get lots of rain, so I'm going to give you my top tips to how to drive safely when the downpour hits. So tip 1, make sure your wipers are working properly. The examiner can ask you to check these during the driving test on the show me tell me questions. Are you ready? So tip 2, remember in rainy conditions it takes you twice as long to stop. So you need to keep a big distance between you and the vehicle in front, especially when you're approaching pedestrian crossings. Tip 3. Tip 3, watch out. Tip 3, watch out when driving through shallow waters. You want to take it slow and steady so that you can avoid having to swerve around big puddles. So remember, if you do drive through a big puddle, you might have to check your brakes. Big puddles. Okay. My top tip for keeping your distance on faster moving roads is easy. We need to have about a 2-second gap. So you need to pick a fixed point, take the fixed point, say the phrase only a fool breaks the 2-second rule. In wet weather, we just say it twice, so that gives you the 4-second gap. That looked creepy. Watch out if it's been sunny for a while and then suddenly you get a shower. It could make the roads slightly greasy.